Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be doing, what box is this? October. Is this October's box?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of October's Boxycharm, and I have not opened it. It's still closed. The seal is still on there. So I have not, I think I've just seen one little sneak peek, I think that's what it's called, and I wasn't really excited for it. Just opened it. Comes with the little pamphlet and all of this. I always show you guys first, and then I'm gonna take a look at it. What is this ginormous thing? Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, made exclusively for Boxycharm. What is this? Like a makeup remover cream. It's like a mint green balm. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month, it's $21 a month, a $21 subscription per month. They take out your $21 at the first of every month, and then you get your box about a week to a week and a half later, and you get 4 to 5, I think it's 4 to 5 full-size products. The worth of the box is always over $100, so I would say it's really worth it because I have gotten so much makeup over the past 4 months that I've been getting my boxes. So this Green Clean, it always comes with this pamphlet that tells you what you're gonna get and how much the product is. So this little guy is the cult favorite makeup cleansing balm. Melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And this is $22. This alone is 22 bucks. And then I got this It Cosmetics mascara, which is cool. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wraps your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. And this little guy is $24. So that's awesome. I can't wait to try this. Ooh, it's pretty. This is nice. We've been getting like a mascara every month, I think, but I don't mind. Ooh. And then we got this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got mine in the shade Lolita. I remember this was super, like, everybody wanted this shade back when it came out the first, or like when it came out, everybody wanted it. What? This is what it looks like. And this little guy is $20. It's a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. So I'm so excited. I remember when this came out, I really wanted it, but I never like went to buy it, and now I have it. So this is probably gonna stay in my diaper bag. And then the second to last thing that I'm probably gonna try on Bert is this Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is $30. The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. And maybe I'll try it on my skin. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. Hi! And like I said, this was 30 bucks. So I'm going to put this, oh, it has 2 masks, 2 lace masks, plus a 20 milliliter tube. And then the last little bit guy that we got is the Midnight Masquerade palette. Fancy. This was $38. This month's box was worth $134. This is what this is by Pure Cosmetics, and it's the Midnight Masquerade palette. It just has this stuff over here. I would say, I mean, you're not going to use this as a freaking blush. I don't know if you would, but this is weird. I don't know how I'm gonna use this. It comes with a tiny little mirror up here. Has a little mirror, and then 6 shadows and 4, I don't know what these things are. Okay, the 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders. So these go on your face, and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye color. I don't know how I feel about using these colors on my skin, especially this one. I don't know if they're not that pigmented to where you can use it and it's not, I mean, you're not gonna end up looking like a clown. This one's called Twilight, Hidden Secret, Enchantment, Reveal. And then the shadows are called Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. So there's not a whole bunch of shadows that you can do like an actual look with, because you definitely, I mean, you could, but they're all like and I just messed it up. We'll just see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so I think my base is pretty much done. I don't know if I should try to do my eyes first and then my blush and bronzer. I'm gonna try to bronze, and my brows look like today. I don't know why they came out looking like that, but this is more like this color here. It's more like a, it's like a shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's super shimmery and like orange almost. So I'm gonna use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer just to bronze up like I normally would. And then I guess I'll try to put that bronzer shade over it just to see how that'll look. And I'm just using a big fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush to bronze my cheekbones and my temples. To darken it up a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Beached bronzer in the shade Bronzed. And I just keep this more like right here. Make that weird face. Okay, now here comes the scary part. I'm gonna take a little bit. I hope that's a little bit. It's pretty for like, it's kind of like a blush. Oh, it is a blush, Lindsay. Hello. Because it even has like a little bit of highlight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray. I'm not going to add a highlight just because this already has a little bit of shimmer to it. And I just set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And we're gonna jump on in to the eyeballs. There is one matte shade in this entire palette, which is Sneak Peek. This brown one right here. I'm gonna wait for my eyelids to dry a little bit just because I don't want, okay, whatever. I'm gonna slightly so much fallout, and then I'm just gonna try to put this in my crease, see what happens. I hope it's not too dark. Kind of use that as a transition shade. I want to try to use just these shadows without like going into another palette. So I'm hoping that I can pull this off for you guys. I'm gonna put this in my crease and just blend it back and forth. Next shade I'm gonna go in with is, I'm not gonna go in with the eyeshadows. I'm actually going to go in with this shade right here. This is Reveal. This is a shade Reveal, and I'm going to put this on my outer corner, just on my outer corner. Oh, this is a really pretty shade though. Super pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this shade right here, and this is called Twilight, on my finger, and I'm going to put this on my inner right here.
Did you give her this milk today?
Yes. Just like that, and then I'm gonna go back in with Reveal, and I'm just going to sort of, no, wrong brush. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to use the Ink Black List Gel Eyeliner that we also got in a Boxycharm. I didn't receive this, or like this, in one of my boxes. My sister actually gave it to me, so that's why I have it. But I think the month after y'all received that box, or the box that eyeliner came in, is whenever I subscribed, because I was like, this is huge. So of course I had to have it. And then my lower lash line with a flat shader brush, using this same brown and purple shadows. Then gonna use the mascara. This is the It Cosmetics mascara, and I'm gonna curl, and then I'm gonna see how good this mascara is. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. It doesn't say. It's just the Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, super black. It's probably not waterproof. It's definitely not a volumizing mascara, but it really like separates your lashes. So that's what they look like. Alright, the last thing is this. I've always liked this color. I've always wanted it. It's not even gonna match. Will it? Does it? Sort of. But that is the finished look. Overall, I think the palette's just weird to use by itself. I think you would definitely have to use another one with it. This look, I just got it using 3 shadows in it, but It's still very dark. I feel like I've done something like it, or something similar to it before. I did like this thing that went on my cheek. I did like that, and I do like the lipstick. The eyeshadows are just kind of weird. So if I were to do anything, I'd probably like cut this, give this to my sister, and then just keep, or like just take out this little guy because it's the only one that I like. And I don't know if this would be like a good highlighter. I didn't even try it, and I'm kind of scared to try it because it looks too white. That does it for October's Boxycharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys come up with using your box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.